While I'll cover this in greater depth in the camera section, it's worth talking about the new function in the new iPhone 6s. While the camera has been upgraded to 12MP, it will now grab a chunk of video before and after the snap, 1.5 seconds to be exact, and turn that into a little video. With audio captured, the idea is that the moment is added into the photo, and with a prod from 3D Touch you'll be able to see the story behind the photo. This isn't a new idea, as HTC, Nokia and Samsung have all tried to do it in the past, with limited success. Nokia and HTC were probably the biggest proponents of the platform, the former using it to do great things like remove people from the photo or providing more editing effects, and HTC even spliced the video into a photo's highlights reel to make memories of events like a night out. Both of these ideas worked well, were genuinely useful and had a strong result, and yet couldn't entice users in, although HTC's now standalone Zoe app is still being used by many. Apple's method is much simpler, almost hidden behind the photo, where the only proof that there's a dynamic picture in your snap is a little flick of movement as you swipe through the gallery. However, it doesn't seem like something that will be a big draw, simply because the only thing people want to do is take a photo with a camera and have it come out looking crisp, in focus and full of color. They don't want gimmicks around it, they just want the phone to help them be brilliant photographers. In fairness to Apple, the live photo happens quietly in the background, with only a little lift box at the top of the camera viewfinder telling you what's happening, and doesn't compromise shooting speed or photo quality, and in terms of space it's less than 2 photographs. If Apple had changed the 16GB model to 32GB, then perhaps this wouldn't even be questioned, but many people run out of space on their smaller iPhone capacity, and doubling the amount of photos taken is going to make things even worse.